Planks are one of the most effective exercises you can do. Why? Because planks require a small time investment on your part, and offer the chance to achieve substantial results in a relatively short span of time. Here are 7 amazing things that will happen when you do plank every day. 1. You'll improve core definition and performance. Planks are an ideal exercise for the abdominal muscles exactly because they engage all major core muscle groups including the transverse abdominus, the rectus abdominis, the external oblique muscle, and the glutes. The importance of strengthening each muscle group cannot be underestimated either, for all of these groups serve their own purpose. If you strengthen these muscle groups you will notice. Transverse abdominis, increased ability to lift heavier weights. Rectus abdominis, improved sports performance, particularly with jumping. This muscle group is also responsible for giving you the renowned six-pack look. Oblique muscles, improved capacity for stable side bending and waist twisting. Glutes, a supported back and a strong, shapely booty. 2. You'll decrease your risk of injury in the back and spinal column. Doing planks is a type of exercise that allow you to build muscle while also making sure that you are not putting too much pressure on your spine or hips. According to the American Council on Exercise, doing planks regularly not only significantly reduces back pain but it also strengthens your muscles and ensures a strong support for your entire back, especially in the areas around your upper back. 3. You'll experience an increased boost to your overall metabolism. Planking is an excellent way of challenging your entire body because doing them every day will burn more calories than other traditional abdominal exercises, such as crunches or sit-ups. The muscles you strengthen by doing this exercise on a day-to-day basis will ensure that you burn more energy even when sedentary. This is especially important if you are spending the majority of your day sitting in front of a computer. Also, making it a daily 10 to 1 minute home exercise before or after work will not only provide an enhanced metabolic rate but it will also ensure that that metabolic rate remains high all day long, yes, even while you are asleep.
I took plank breaks at work every day for a month, and this is what happened. I felt super self-conscious at first. Even though I had the luxury of closing an office door rather than planking in public, I was paranoid that a coworker would walk past, see my feet sticking out from behind my desk, and rush in to see what the heck was going on. I imagine it'd be a little awkward to explain, "Oh, don't mind me, just planking." Especially since I'm new here. Luckily nobody seemed to notice, or they just accepted that I was somewhat eccentric. I learned the value of a minute. As a regular yoga doer, bring on the chaturangas. I thought a minute and a half holding plank was going to be easy peasy. Boy, was I overconfident. When I did them right, my core quaked, and I'd look desperately at the timer on my iPhone as it counted down to 0, aka plank freedom. I considered cutting my breaks to 1 even minute, but I'm not one to back away from a challenge, so I stuck with my original goal, till the bitter end. I felt re-energized and stronger. As I ended each plank break with a good stretch in downward facing dog, I could literally feel all that tension from sitting in my desk chair release. I was surprised by the jolt of energy I felt from such a short spurt of physical exertion, and it inspired me to move around more in other small ways, like taking trips to a bathroom on another floor or doubling my coffee breaks. Oops. Not only that, but my abs strengthened. I didn't quite realize it until the final week, when my plank hold felt considerably easier than during week 1. Though I didn't see a difference, I could feel it. I might not continue daily plank breaks, but this exercise in willpower has inspired me to do something, anything, more often throughout the workday. Yesterday I did 10 jumping jacks when I was feeling restless, and sometimes I'll shut my office door now to cycle through a sun salutation or 2. When I'm done feeling so overplanked, I might even just drop down and give another minute 30.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel.